Wow, you won't believe what AI is about to do to our world. It's happening faster than we ever imagined, and if you're not paying attention, you might get left behind. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's coming, how AI will change jobs, business, creativity, and even human relationships. So let's dive into the future. Welcome to Hasnain Tech Automation. If you're excited about AI, technology, and the future, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with the latest trends. The AI revolution is already here. But what happens next? Let's start with something that might surprise you. Did you know AI is now writing books, creating music, and even making movies? Imagine a future where your favorite song wasn't made by a human, but by an AI that knows exactly what beats and lyrics you love. Creepy or cool? And if you think that's wild, wait till you hear this. AI-powered robots are already replacing human workers in factories, stores, and even customer service. But what if AI takes over your job? Will you be safe, or is it time to learn new skills? Let's see. A few years ago, nobody believed that AI could replace artists, but today, AI art is winning awards. In the future, AI might not just assist doctors, it could replace them. Imagine trusting an AI to perform surgery on you. Would you do it? Here's where things get even crazier. AI isn't just about replacing jobs. It's about creating entirely new industries. Think about this. Just like the internet created millions of new jobs, AI will create jobs we haven't even imagined yet. But only those who understand AI will survive in this new world. And if you think AI is just about work, think again. AI is changing how we fall in love, how we make friends, and even how we think. There are already AI girlfriends and AI friends who chat with people when they're lonely. Some say it's amazing. Others think it's the beginning of a dangerous future where humans forget how to connect with each other. But here's my biggest question for you. Will AI become smarter than us? Right now, AI is learning at a speed we can't even imagine. And if it keeps growing like this, it might reach superintelligence, a point where AI is smarter than every human on Earth combined. What happens then? Will AI help us or take over? Some experts say AI will save the world, cure diseases, and help humans live longer than ever. Others say AI might become too powerful and decide it doesn't need us anymore. So what do you think? Are we heading into an AI-powered paradise or a world we won't recognize? One thing is for sure, AI is not slowing down. The only question is, are you ready for the future? Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content about AI in the future. See you in the next one.